How to spy on your competition, even if you haven't started yet, make your first sale online and grow your income quicker and bigger than ever before. Join Luke live as he takes all the guesswork out of marketing online. Luke will show you how to find the exact ads that generate sales so you can copy and paste and start profiting. Showing you the exact niches to use backed up by ads that are generating serious income. Remove the guesswork of FB ads and generate income on demand. Generate buyer traffic today with ads and never waste a positive ROI every time. Demographic and engagement filters to sell more. This is without a doubt the number one way to get to start or scale every business. Sign up now, this is not to be missed. We'll try to provide a replay, but the webinar is at 8 a.m. Eastern Time New York Time, 5 a.m. LA, 1 p.m. London Time, and if there are any delays with GoToWebinar's video processing, there may be a very limited time to see the replay.